How to repost Instagram stories. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Instagram stories are a fun way to share moments, and sometimes you see a story you just have to share. But how do you repost an Instagram stories? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Now without further ado, let's get started. So the easiest way to repost an Instagram story is if someone tag you in their story. When this happens, you will get the notification in your DMs. And here is how it works. So you basically have to open the Instagram DM, and after opening it, you will see an option that says add to your story. You simply need to tap on it and the story will appear on your story editor. You can customize it by adding text, stickers, or even resizing the original story before sharing it to your own. You can share it after you are done with it. But what if you want to share someone's story but they didn't tag you? Unfortunately, Instagram doesn't have a direct repost feature for this situation, but don't worry, I've got a workaround. You can take screenshots or use your phone screen recording feature to capture the story. Just make sure to ask for the permission from the original poster before sharing. And once you have the screenshot or recording, upload it to your story and give the credit to the original creator by tagging them. But if the person account is public and they have enabled sharing, you can just share their story directly to your DM or stories, whether it's a tag story or a public post. You got all the tools you need. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.